How to pair IKEA Styrbar. Now, I'm currently looking at the current manual for the IKEA Styrbar. If you have lost it, then you are on the correct video. Now, as you can see on the first page, is just saying that the specific product. Now, if you purchased or if a remote control is sold together with a light source, it's actually on the same package. They are already paired. But if the remote control is purchased separately, you must manually pair it to your light source. The first thing you have to do is make sure that your light source is installed and the main power is switched or turned on. Now, second step is hold the remote control close to the light source you want to add. It's not going to be more than 5 centimeters away. The third step is press and hold the pairing button from the steer bar for at least 10 seconds, and then a red light will shine steadily on the remote control. Your light source will begin to dim and flash one time to indicate that it has been successfully paired, or it will blink once when it was successfully paired. Now, up to 10 light sources can be paired with one single remote control. All I have to do is just make sure to pair them one at a time. If the light sources are close to each other, disconnect those that have already been paired from the main power switch so that there will be no collisions that is going to happen while you're in the middle of pairing. Now, factory reset your devices for light sources. Just simply toggle the main switch 6 times, and then for the remote control, just press the pairing button 4 times within 5 seconds. Now, on synchronizing it, if your light source becomes unsynchronized, a long press on the left or right buttons will return the light source to its default setting. So those are the things that you will follow first so that you can successfully pair the IKEA steer bar.